students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine, healthy and safe at your home. I am Gayatri Verma, your science teacher. Welcome you all again to the science online videos. Students, do you know that we are going to discuss something new today? So before starting with that, I would like to give you a thought. So what is the thought of the day? Thought of the day is happiness is something is not ready-made. Okay, happiness is not ready-made, it comes from your own actions. I repeat once again, happiness is not something ready-made, it comes from your own actions. So students, the actions which you are going to do, it is going to decide with your sadness and happiness. So keep smiling always. Now you can see that if we are going to pour water in this, and we must remember, in this mug A, the water should be ice cold water. Okay, आप कुछ ice ले लोगे, उसके ऊपर पानी डालोगे, then it will become ice cold water. एकदम ठंडा पानी होना चाहिए, chilled पानी. Clear? In second mug, we require tap water. जो आपका नल का पानी आता है, फिल्टर पानी बोलेंगे. We are going to pour in this like this. Okay? Like this. You have to pour. Okay students, then move to mug 3. Mug 3 or mug C, we can say there is no issue. Mug C. Mug C contain, you have to take water here. It should be warm water. Okay students, so this is the activity setup. Students, as you can see, that our activity setup is now ready. Yes. What we have done, I have taken 3 mugs of different color. As you can see, this mug is of orange color, this mug is of red color, and this mug is of pink color. And for carrying out this activity, what are the materials to be required? You require 3 different color mugs and 1 marker. Why we need 1 marker? To write A, B, C. First you will take all the 3 mugs of different colors. You are going to mark A, B, C with your marker. Okay? This thing is clear to you? Now, what you have to do? In mug A, you are going to take ice cold water. In mug B, we are going to take tap water. In mug C, we are going to take warm water. Okay students? This setup is clear to you? While we are carrying this activity, the aim is written on the board as you can see. Sensation of touch is not reliable to find the degree of hotness or coldness. Okay? So, what we have to do? You have to sit in a position that your left hand should dip in mug A and your right hand should dip in mug C. Is that clear? Now what we have to do? Now I am dipping my left hand in mug A. This contains ice cold water, and right hand in mug C which contains warm water. Okay students, we will dip our both the hands for 2 to 3 minutes. अभी हमारे पास टाइम है, मैं एक बार आपको दोबारा बता देती हूँ. आपको 3 मग्स लेने हैं जिसमें A, B, C लिखोगे. A mug is consist of ice cold water, इसमें बर्फ का पानी लेंगे. Mug B consist of tap water, normal पानी आप लेंगे, and mug C contain warm water. And after dipping both the hands, you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now just wait. You can set your timer in stopwatch or in mobile. Okay? 2 to 3 minutes का आप सेटअप रेडी कर लेंगे. 2 से 3 मिनट बाद आपको अपने हाथ को बाहर निकालना पानी से. So now after 2 minutes, you have to take out your hands like this. Once you taken your hands like this, you have to dip both the hands in mug B which contains tap water. Okay students? Now you are going to feel the magic. How? Means you will observe that to the left hand. Okay? To the left hand you are going to feel the water in warm condition, and to the right hand you are going to feel the water in cold condition. So what a magic! So this activity is carried out in such a way. Now I am going to show you on the board. First keyword is temperature. It is a degree of hotness or coldness of a body. that degree of hotness or coldness of a body, which is known as temperature. Okay. Next is thermometer. As you can see, it is given in your book on page number, I have already told you, that is A-36. Okay. Then second key term is thermometer, a device used for recording temperature. टेम्परेचर को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए जो भी डिवाइस हम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज थर्मोमीटर. सो नाउ लेट्स look upon this page what it is written over here. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Okay students, the commonly used of temperature is in degree Celsius. So now first I am going to tell you, then I am going to show you the thermometer. Then thermometer, a device used for measuring the temperature of different objects. different objects के temperature को measure करना. It can be done only by the help of thermometer. Yes, but it depends. Because there are various type of thermometers available. So first I am going to show you the thermometer. Students, I don't have the mercury thermometer, but I have a digital one thermometer. Although the functions are same. So description is given on page number A-36. Student, it is written over here that the common thermometer used in laboratories, it is called Celsius thermometer. So the thermometer which is used in laboratories, it is known as Celsius thermometer. It has 100 markings between 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade, or we can say 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Its range is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Now I am going to show you the thermometer on the board. That the thermometer consists of a very fine glass tube having a small bore commonly called capillary tube. So first I am going to show you on the board, then I am going to tell you more description about it. Okay. So student, this is a thermometer. So what we have to learn here, this thermometer is also known as Celsius thermometer. Okay, so this Celsius thermometer is going to range from 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. When I am saying this 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius, it means that when you are going to see this kind of thermometer, I am talking about the thermometer which consists of what? Which consists of mercury. जिस थर्मामीटर में हमें मरकरी देखने को मिलता है, दैट थर्मामीटर comes under the category of Celsius thermometer. समझ में आ गया बच्चों आपको? Yes, yes, very nice. So the thermometer which we use in labs, it consists of mercury. First thing clear? Second, as you can see, this mercury is surrounded by and enclosed by a glass bulb-like structure. Glass is surrounded. Okay, so this is known as glass bulb. Okay students, you are going to see inside there is a tube inside the mercury, inside the thermometer. You are going to observe this is a tube. It is known as capillary tube. It is known as capillary tube. And on the back side of the thermometer means, students, I don't have that thermometer right now, laboratory thermometer, but I can show you the thermometer through which you can compare it. Okay, suppose this is a thermometer, although it is a digital one. Okay, just think about it that it is filled with mercury. Okay, and this plastic structure is like a glass. ठीक है, ये आपको समझना है कि इसके अंदर जो एक लाइनिंग जा रही है वो मरकरी की, इसके अंदर जो ट्यूब है दैट ट्यूब इज नोन एज कैपिलरी ट्यूब. एट द बैक इस तरफ जो इधर करके जो ऐसे करके होता है दैट इज नोन एज हुक. ओके, एंड दिस द प्लास्टिक स्ट्रक्चर which you are seeing in my thermometer, but you have to compare with this. So the plastic is like glass. Clear? तो ये थर्मामीटर में you are going to observe the readings. Here the readings may range from 0 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. Means 0 degree Celsius यहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको देखने को. और so this thermometer ranges from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Students, what you have to remember that 0 degree Celsius is ice point. It is known as ice point. It is also known as lower fixed point. Means this point is always fixed. Okay, and 100 degree Celsius is a steam point. Question में ask, बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे. क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछा जा सकता है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस इंडिकेट डैश, सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस आइस पॉइंट. क्लियर बच्चों? यस, ओके. 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस इज व्हाट, व्हिच पॉइंट? It is a steam point. So 0 degree Celsius is also known as freezing point. Okay, and 100 degree Celsius is also known as boiling point. I hope that now the thermometer is clear to you. Okay, students, now we will read this paragraph. The thermometer consists of a very fine glass tube having a small bore commonly called capillary tube. I have already told you about this, the capillary tube. Next, at one end of the capillary tube is a very thin glass bulb. This is the one end this thin glass bulb consists of. This is known as kink also. This is also known as kink. Next is, this bulb is filled with pure mercury. Means this hole is filled with mercury. इसमें क्या fill होगा? Mercury होगा. आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए. The other end of the capillary tube is sealed. दूसरी तरफ से पूरा बंद है, आपने देखा था. ठीक है. After removing air from it, the capillary tube is protected by a thick glass tube called stem. This is a glass tube. This is a glass tube which you are seeing. This is all a glass tube, and this glass tube is known as stem. This is known as stem. ठीक है बच्चों? The markings are made on the stem. These markings are commonly called graduations or degrees, and this is known as degree. Clear हो गया आपको thermometer? 0 degree corresponds to the temperature of pure melting ice. 0 degree is pure melting ice point and lower standard point. Is that clear? Then 100 degrees Celsius correspond to temperature of pure boiling water. It is the upper standard point. So अगर आपसे पूछा जाता है कि the upper standard point, what is the upper standard point? So you are going to write down 100 degrees centigrade. If it is question asking the pure melting point, you have to write 0 degrees Celsius. Is that clear? Again on the same page A-36, you can use a Celsius thermometer to measure temperature between -10 degrees Celsius and 110 degrees Celsius. Now, very important to remember, it cannot measure higher temperature such that of candle flame. Means the Celsius thermometer does not use for measuring the temperature of candle flame. Why? What is the reason behind it? It is because the thermometer will break due to excessive expansion of mercury. You know that the temperature is going to increase inside the capillary tube. Okay, inside the thermometer the temperature is going to increase. What happens suddenly? In that case the thermometer will break. Thermometer will break due to expansion. उस टेम्परेचर के से मरकरी की एक्सपेंशन होगी, मरकरी फैलेगा, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा? थर्मामीटर क्या होगा? टूट जाएगा. क्लियर हो गया? Why it cannot measure higher temperature? Because thermometer can break easily due to expansion of the mercury. क्लियर हो गया बच्चों आपको? Okay. Next है, in order to measure very high temperature. अब आप कहोगे कि मैम बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं, लिक्विड का टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं, देन व्हाट अबाउट अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स? सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज मेंशन्ड इन योर बुक ऑन द सेम पेज A-36. नाउ वी हैव टू मेजर हायर टेम्परेचर. इन ऑर्डर टू मेजर हायर टेम्परेचर लाइक फ्लेम्स है आपके पास, फर्नेसेस है, ओवन्स है, बाईमेटालिक थर्मामीटर्स आर यूज्ड इन दिस केस. फ्लेम के टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए, फर्नेसेस के टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए, ओवन के टेम्परेचर को मेजर करने के लिए वी यूज बाईमेटालिक थर्मामीटर्स. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दिस आल्सो ऑन बोर्ड. So students, what we have observed that to measure the normal temperature of body or the liquid, we were using Celsius thermometer. Now we are talking about to measure higher temperature. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to measure higher temperature. In order to measure higher temperature, we required which kind of thermometers? We require two type of thermometer. First is bimetallic thermometer. Second one is oven thermometer. So we will discuss one by one. Bimetallic thermometer, as its name suggests, bi means two. Okay, two means here why it is known as bimetallic thermometer, because in this thermometer the two strips are used. In this thermometer, the two metal strips are used. They are known as bimetallic strip. They are known as bimetallic strip. This is a ratchet, cogwheel, and this is a pointer. Means this bimetallic thermometer is used to measure the temperature in blast furnaces. Clear? Now move to second figure. That is oven thermometer. As you have seen that ovens are in your home also. Okay. What will happen when you are going to do just try to eat some food or something? Then what happen? You have seen that there is a scale. Okay. Scale is there, बच्चों. Scale होता है and this one is a pointer. This is a pointer and this is a scale. Container is there. मतलब आप यहाँ पर अपना बर्तन रख देते हो और what happens starts revolving. फिर वो गोल गोल घूमता है और आपको उसके तरीके से स्केल क्या होता है चलने लगता है. So this is known as oven thermometer. Clear हो गया? एक हमने आपको बताया bimetallic thermometer, एक मैंने आपको बताया oven thermometer. Bimetallic thermometer is used to measure the temperature to measure the higher temperatures like candle flames. Then you have furnaces. Okay. You have furnaces also, blast furnaces, भट्टी जिसे बोलते हैं वो सारी चीजें. But oven thermometer is used to just to put to heat up any food item. Okay, so this is known as oven thermometer. Now student, there is one more thermometer that is known as maximum thermometer and minimum thermometer. Now just take your book and I am going to read from there. Students, the maximum and minimum thermometer is given in your book on page A-36. Okay, these type of thermometers generally we used in weather forecasting. Okay, suppose maximum and minimum temperature we are using to know the temperature of the previous day. So generally maximum and minimum thermometer are used in weather forecasting the temperatures. Okay students, as you can see that I have written over here activity 4.2 and there is a figure and aim also. Okay, so what is the aim of doing this activity? To find temperature of hot water. बच्चों इसमें हमें क्या करना है, जो बनता हुआ पानी उसकी टेम्परेचर को फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, फॉर दिस एक्टिविटी व्हाट आर द मटेरियल्स टू बी रिक्वायर्ड? मटेरियल आर आयरन स्टैंड यू रिक्वायर्ड, hot water you require, beaker, Celsius thermometer. This is all you require for carrying out this activity. Now we will read this from the book because students we cannot carry this activity here. Once your school will reopen, we are going to conduct this activity in school labs. Okay students? So we are going to learn the method, okay, to find the temperature of hot water. What you have to do? In first step you are going to take an iron stand and suspend the Celsius thermometer from it. Means you are going to take, this is the iron stand. Okay, iron stand लेने के साथ आपको क्या करना है? With the help of clamp, ये जो clamps लगे इसकी हेल्प से हम क्या करेंगे? सेल्सियस थर्मामीटर को इसमें क्या करेंगे? सस्पेंड कर देंगे, मीन्स हैंग कर देंगे. ओके बच्चों, place beaker containing hot water under the thermometer. You can see that I have placed a beaker which contains hot water, right? And you can see that this thermometer is just dipped inside the beaker. Is that clear? Next thing, you have to dip the bulb of the thermometer in such a way that it does not touch the sides and base of the beaker. Keep this thing in your mind. This is a very important precaution you have to do while doing this activity. What we are going to do? We are going to just suspend the thermometer with the help of iron stand, and below the thermometer we are going to put a beaker which contains hot water. Okay. After this we have to place this thermometer in such a manner that it does not touch this base of the beaker and this is the side walls of the beaker. Is that clear? I am going to tell you step by step. Next thing bachcho, then what we will do? We will wait for 2 minutes. Read the temperature from the scale at which the mercury thread stands. यहाँ पे जो mercury होगा ये कहाँ पे जाके रुकता है हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे temperature. ठीक है? After this is the temperature of the hot water. Where you see the mercury get stops. Suppose it is stopping here. So this will be the temperature of hot water. Clear? जैसे आप थर्मामीटर को डिप करोगे बीकर में और उसमें मरकरी जितना भी अपग्रेड होता है, दैट इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द हॉट वाटर. इतनी बात समझ में आ गई बच्चों? यस. सो विल यू एबल टू कैरी दिस एक्टिविटी? वेरी नाइस. आफ्टर दिस इज द then what you have to do? This is the temperature of hot water we have already discussed. Now when you look this figure, the temperature of tap water is 50 degree Celsius. Basically जो tap water का temperature होता है that is 50 degree Celsius. Okay. Now what you have to do? Take out the thermometer from the hot water. इस thermometer को हम क्या करेंगे? Hot water से भाग कर लेंगे. Observe what happened to the mercury thread in the thermometer. When you are taking out the thermometer at that time, you have to notice the temperature. कि उस टाइम पे टेम्परेचर हमारा क्या होता है. Okay, so what you are going to generally notice, the level of the mercury begins to fall. It's very, you have to apply your logic बच्चों. जब पानी गर्म होगा तो टेम्परेचर हमारा क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होगा. So it will show higher temperature. But when you are taking out the thermometer from the beaker, definitely when you see the fall down of the mercury, so this will show the temperature is lowering down here, right? From the above observation, what is the conclusion? I am going to show you on the board. So when we will perform this activity, then what we are going to conclude at the end of doing this activity, it is clear that the temperature of hot water is more than when we are taking out the thermometer from beaker containing hot water. Means जब पानी के अंदर हमारा थर्मामीटर रहेगा, at that time the temperature will be more as compared to when you are taking out the thermometer from the beaker, because at that time the level of the mercury get falls down. Is that clear बच्चों? ये एक्टिविटी आपको समझ में आ गई? And what are the precautions? मैंने आपको precautions क्या क्या बताए थे? You have to keep this thing in your mind. When you are dealing with hot water, you have to be very cautious at that time. Okay, first thing. Second, when we are dipping the thermometer, we have to place the thermometer in such a manner that it is not going to touch the base of the beaker and side walls of the beaker. Is that clear, my dear students? Okay, students. So this completes all your activities. Okay. So students, what is your homework? Your homework is to draw thermometer figure 4.2 on page A-36 in science notebook. आपको क्या करना है, अपने साइंस की नोटबुक पे पेज पर थर्मामीटर ड्रॉ करना है. फिगर 4.2 है पेज A36 पे, वहां से आप थर्मामीटर को ड्रॉ करेंगे. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ योर होमवर्क, यू हैव टू सेंड योर होमवर्क टू द मोबाइल ऐप. ओके, जो स्कूल ऐप है, यू हैव टू सेंड योर होमवर्क देयर, बट योर फाइल शुड नॉट एक्सीड मोर देन 5 MB. जो भी फाइल आप भेज रहे हो वो 5 MB से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. टुमारो वी आर हैविंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, although I will just inform you during the online classes too, but just listen over here that you have to submit your homework through mobile app, school app. Okay, but your file should not exceed more than 5 MB. Okay students, and your homework must be submitted within the school working hours. Okay, between 2 to 3 more, but it should not be more delay. Okay, now this is all for today's session. Thank you students. Be safe at your home. Be healthy.